everyone. Welcome back to our channel Akal Academy Sangha. I am Suman, computer teacher. So today we will discuss topic number system. Topic is there number system, class 7. So everyone know about number. Number like a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are numbers and we will count with different ways. So computer is an electronic machine which data we are store in a computer. That data store in a form like a 0, 1 form. But 0, 1 form is a 0 means off state and 1 means on state. So in like this form data in store in a computer. So what is a number system in computer beta ji? Number system is a way to represent numbers in a computer system. Every value that you are getting from the computer memory has a defined a number system. There are two types of number system. First is a non-positional and second is a positional. First non-positional and second is a positional. What is the meaning of non-positional beta? In earlier days human beings are count with like stone, pebbles, sticks, bones and thumbs. Okay, so that is in a previous time. Nowadays is a famous positional number system. Positional number system like a 10th place, 1st place, 100th place, like this way. Okay, so in which positional number system has a 4 types. How many types? 4 types. First, binary number system. Second, decimal number system. Third, octal number system. And fourth one is there, hexadecimal number system. First is binary, second is decimal, third is octal and fourth is hexadecimal. First is a binary beta. What is the meaning of binary? Firstly, binary is made by two numbers. Binary is made by two numbers 0 and 1. 0 means off state and 1 means on state. Okay, so in binary form 2 digits we are using. So what is the base of binary? 2. Binary base is 2. Binary number system has 2 base. Why? Because in which we are using 2 digits only, that's why that base is 2. So second one is decimal number system. Deci means tens. So tens, that's mean tens. Decimal means tens, so value is there 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 to 9. Those are value come in decimal number system because the base of decimal number system is 10. Why the base is a 10? Because here we are using 10 digits 0 to 9. So base of decimal number system is 10. Binary is 2, decimal is 10 and next is there octal. Third one is there octal. Octal number system has 8 digits. How many digits? 8 digits. 0 to 7. 0 to 7. So base of octal is 8. Base of octal is 8. Next is there hexadecimal. Next is there hexadecimal. So everyone know the decimal base is 10. And hexa means A to F. A to F. A to F means 0 to 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F. 0 to 9, after 9 if 10 value is there then that is A. 11 value is there B. 12 value is there C. 13 value is there D. 14 value is there E. And 15 value is there F. So what is the base of hexadecimal bache? 15. What is the base of hexadecimal? 15. In this topic we are discussing 4 number system: binary, decimal, octal and hexadecimal. Everyone clear? Firstly कि binary has a 2 base. Binary has a 2 base because here we are using 2 digits, 0 and 1. 0 and 1. 0 and 1. And next is there decimal. So decimal has a 10 digits, 0 to 9. 0 to 9. So base of decimal is a 10 and base of octal is a 8. Base of hexadecimal is a 15 because here we are using 0 to 9 and A to F value. Understand everyone these 4 topics? After that, now let's see this table. This table is showing the value of binary. Like here is our numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are decimal numbers. And decimal number convert to binary digits are like a 0 code is there, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 0 are there. And 1 code is there, 0, 0, 1. 2 code is there, 0, 0, 10. And 3 code is there, 0, 0, 11, 4, 0, 1, 0, 0, 5, 0, 1, 0, 1, 6, 0, 1, 1, 0, 7, 0, 1, 1, 8, 1000, 9, 1001, and 10 is there, 10, 10, 1010. Okay, so everyone remember this table when you are doing conversion. So now we will start conversion. Firstly, decimal to binary conversion is there. Now we were discussing decimal to binary conversion, in which you can remember 4 steps are here. Firstly, divide the decimal number. बच्चे any decimal number given to you, so that divide by value of the base. Second is there, record the remainder from the step 1 as the rightmost digits. Next, divide the quotient of the previous division by the new base. Fourth is there, record the remainder from the step 3 as the next digits for the new base number. Repeat 3 and 4th step again and again, becoming the 0. So you have a number 42. This is a decimal number. Okay, so how to convert decimal to binary? First step is there ki divide with the base. So what is the base of binary? Binary base is a 2. Binary base is a 2. So this value we are dividing with 2. So firstly, what come here? 2, 1. And what remainder is coming? 0. After that again 2, 1, 0. 1 remainder is there. 2, 5. After that 0, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, and last is there 0. Understand everyone? So what is the answer? We are answer taking from last value to bottom value to top value. So we are writing house 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, and base is 2, because this number now change in binary, decimal to binary conversion. I am explaining again to you, bache, how can convert decimal to binary. Here is a number 42. 42 is a decimal number. So we want to convert into decimal to binary. So binary base is a 2. So we will divide with 2. 42 divided with 2. Then there will come 21 and remainder is there 0. Next 2. Then divide with 21 divided by 2, then 10 will come and 1 is remainder. After then again 2, then divide by 10, 5, then remainder is comes 0. After that again 5 divided by 2, then 2, 4 is there and 1 remainder is there. Again 2 divided by 2, then there will come 1 value and remainder is there 0. And 2 again 1 again divided by 2, then there will come 0 and 1. So answer is there bottom to top. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. and binary is base is 2, that's why we are taking here 2. So this is the conversion decimal to binary.